हेलो बच्चों एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। टुडे वी लर्न अबाउट essay sorry today we learn about poem on teacher. Today we learn about poem on teacher. Teachers paint their minds and guide their thoughts. Teachers paint their minds and guide their thoughts. Share their achievements and advise their faults. Teachers paint their minds and guide their thoughts. Teachers paint their minds and guide their thoughts. Share their achievements and advise their fault. Inspire a love of knowledge and truth. As you light the path, which leads our youth. Inspire a love of knowledge and truth as you lights the path which leads our youth. For our future brightens with each lesson you teach. You teach each smile you length each goal you help reach. for the dawn of each poet, each philosopher, and king begins with a teacher, begins with a teacher, and the wisdom they bring. The wisdom they bring. Wisdom they bring. Teachers paint their minds and guide their thoughts, share their achievements and advise their fault, inspire a love, knowledge, and truth as you light the path which leads our youth for our future brightens. Each lesson you teach, each smile you lend, each goal you help reach. For the dawn of the each poet, each philosopher and king begins with the teacher and the wisdom they bring. Thank you.